morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? Oops, I forgot to take the garbage out. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done taking the garbage out. Guys, so I dropped Rachel off there earlier on. I'm in room to grow. I'm just gonna get some organization. So that's what's going on. Ooh. I don't know what happened there. Yeah, I have to fix that sometime. That's something I'm gonna have to fix. Oh man, there's lots of things that we have to fix up on this place a little bit. So that is what's going on. I'm trying to figure what I'm gonna for breakfast this morning. So that's what's going on. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. So, yeah, let's see, what can we have for breakfast? Eggs, maybe? I don't know. So, I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna have. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm gonna be working in the backyard a little bit. I'm gonna be trying to figure out what we're gonna do in the backyard, because we're gonna add some stuff, maybe, to the backyard to make it much better. I would think. I'm thinking. I don't know. I know I probably have to film that gap with Mert, probably. What other things do we need to fix up a little bit in the yard? Like there's some potholes that we might need to fix up a little bit because I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe some potholes that we need to fix up. So I'm gonna be working in the yard. So let's do it, you guys. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I will talk to you guys when I'm done work. As we are outside and playing on the swing. So that's what's going on, you guys. We are trying to organize the backyard so we can play. Barbecuing some hot dogs. So you climbing this going down?
Go show Silas how to do the big slide.
You have the big slide.
Come, baby. Come, baby.
Well, baby's gonna stay right here.
Climb the slide, Silas. Climb. Go climb. Go climb. Go
I'm
climb.
watching you.
Go climb.
You want
Go
me to come
climb.
with you?
He's good. He's on grass, so he's not gonna fall.
I know. You're still sitting right there.
Yeah. Go climb.
Yeah, you're gonna go on the big slide?
Go climb.
I want you to come.
I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Good night.